In front of me is DOOGEE S61 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access About Phone section. Then click on device name at the top left corner and type in wherever you want to. In my case, Sunny. Then select OK in device name pop-up and also OK in the second one about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!